Today, I'll introduce you to Base44, one of the best AI app builders in 2025. Hi, welcome back to Digitex Guider. And in this video, you'll learn how to use Base4 to create stunning apps with ease, whether you're a beginner or an expert. What is Base4? Base44 is an AI-powered app builder that simplifies app development. It's user-friendly, fast, and efficient. Perfect for startups, freelancers, and businesses. How to get started with Base44? http://mykinocode.com's Base44. Sign up for an account. Explore ready-to-use templates. Pick a template that matches your project idea. Customize it with features, branding, and content. Tips for success. Remember, building a successful app takes time. Start small. Launch, gather user feedback, and improve continuously. Look at big apps. They all started with simple ideas that grew over time. Important note: running a business involves risks. Success doesn't come overnight. Stay consistent, keep learning, and never stop improving your skills. So if you're ready to bring your app ideas to life, check out Base44 today. For professional guidance, visit us at digitexguider.com. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Success depends on your dedication, effort, and persistence. Hit the like button, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's build the future together with AI.